Like a kid waiting for Christmas, we have finally come to the end of problem 1-2A. Company E, part 5. And as always, let's pick the easy apples. Let's see what numbers they give us, and then we'll see what we have to do. Well, they give us the assets of $113,000 as of the end of 2017. This part of the problem is asking us to work backwards, so we have to be careful of the dates. So they give us the assets of $113,000. They tell us the liabilities at the end of 17 are $70,000. And by this point, you're probably tired of hearing me say it. Assets minus liabilities is equity, that's $43,000. We need that number for down here, so let's just bring it down and be done with it. Okay, now, they give us a bunch of other numbers for events that happened throughout 17. They tell us that we issued some stock for $6,500. They tell us that we had net income in 17 of $20,000. Additionally, they tell us that we paid dividends of $11,000. And they say, given that, what was the initial equity? Well, for that, you have to work backwards. You have to start with $43,000. Add the dividends, subtract the income, subtract the stock issuances, and when you do that, you get the beginning equity, and the beginning equity is $27,500. You just had to think that you were going backwards. We had the ending equity. We had to subtract all of the changes to get the beginning equity. And now it asks us to do the assets from 16. They give us the $119,000. We just discovered the equity of $27,500. Assets minus equity equals liabilities, $91,500. I know this was a long problem. I know it took a while. But the whole thing is that I need to make sure that you have that formula tattooed firmly on the inside of your brain. That's the key to accounting, and we'll be using it for the rest of the semester, all 5 weeks. Okay.